Pranam. Today I will be guiding you to enhance the Mooladhara chakra. There are so many ways you can come across to energize chakra, but this technique and method is definitely going to enhance your root chakra with immense power and help you uplift your Kundalini Shakti. The work on your chakra must be done one by one on each chakra, and one should spend time daily for at least a month on particular chakra. If you wish to enhance the energy, you can enhance it by putting all your awareness on root chakra, and also by invoking sound energy through Bij mantras. These Bij mantras vibrate at different energies of that particular chakra. So, the first stage is to inhale and exhale deeply for few times till your body relaxes and you start feeling closing your eyes. And this is the beginning of sadhana. You can use any job for sadhana. And then just join your hands in reverence to the God you worship. Here I am just bowing down before Lord Ganesh, who is the Lord of this chakra. And you can follow this mantra Om Vakratund Mahakaye Surya Koti Samaprabha Nirvignam Kurume Deva Sarva Karyeshu Sarvada. Om Vakratund Mahakaya Suryakoti Samaprabha Nirvignam Kurume Deva Sarvakaryeshu Sarvata. Then just bow down to Lord Vishnu and all the three important lords of this universe Brahma, Vishnu, Mahesh. But most important is your Guru, the teacher, who guides you to follow the righteous path, gives you the right technique to uplift all your energy through the period of your life. So, I'm chanting this Guru mantra. Just feel connected to your Guru. Om Gurur Brahma Gurur Vishnu Gurur Deva Maheshwara Guru Sakshat Parabrahma Tasmai Shri Guruve Namah. Meaning that I bow down to my Guru who made me aware of Lord Brahma, Lord Vishnu, and Lord Mahesh. So now be ready to chant few mantras of deities that activates this root chakra. But then with every start we bow down to the chakra we work on, and this time we are working on Mooladhara chakra. So I connect to this chakra. Om Mooladharai Namaha. Om Bhur. Om Bhur. Om Bhur. Om Bhur. Om Kalikai Namaha. Om Tarai Namaha. Om Chinnamastai Namaha. Om Shodashi Devyai Namaha. Om Bhuvaneshwarai Namaha. Om Tripurai Bhairavi Namaha. Om Dhumavatai Namaha. Om Baglamukhi Namaha. Om Matangai Namaha. Om Kamalai Namaha. This you can chant 108 times with the help of one rosary. And with this chanting, just sink into deep, relax, focus on your breathing, and when you are ready, then for 3 times, just pull up the anus and concentrate on third eye. You can even roll your eyeball to the third eye. Then release the anus and release the breathing. So this will go along with the mantras. You can do it, or after the mantra jap, you can carry out this circuit to enhance the internal energy of your body. Now the Bija mantra are Lam, Vam, Sham, Sham, Sam. So this also has to be repeated 108 times. Om Lam Vam Sham Sham Sam. Om Lam Vam Sham Sham Sam. Om Lam Vam Sham Sham Sam. Like this, you have to chant this 108 times. With the help of rosary, you can do it. So this is the work which you have to do in the first 7 days. Only this much you have to do. And when you have finished this, after 7 days, the second project will be to work only on 2 Bij mantras or a single one. So just pick 2 Bij mantra the next week by chanting Om Vam Sham Vam Sham Vam Sham Vam Sham Vam Sham, like this, and energize the chakra, the nadis, the nerves that vibrates with this sound. And the third week, you will chant Om Sham Sam Sham Sam Sham Sam Sham Sam. So, more energy by this time vibrates in your body. And in the fourth week, again, you will be chanting all the Bij mantras Om Lam Vam Sham Sham Sam Om Hamsa Om Lam Vam Sham Sham Sam Om Hamsa Om Lam Vam Sham Sham Sam Hamsa Om Lam Vam Sham Sam Hamsa Om Lam Vam Sham 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 Sam Hamsa Om Lam Vam Sham Sham Sam Hamsa. And after this, you can only chant Hamsa, 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 Hamsa. So when you say hum, just bring all the energy from the top to the bottom, and sir, just feel it is rising in your backbone from tailbone to upwards and releasing in Brahmanda. So after this, you will have your own experiences and you will enjoy another change in your life that will be based only and only on your experience. It is going to be a wonderful change. So, practice this, and I bless you to go ahead in your spiritual life. I love you and bless you.